안녕, 연예인이야. 오늘은 내가 비눗방울을 만드는 법을 가르쳐줄게. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. It's a little bit chilly, so I'm just gonna throw on a sweater. Hello you guys. Right now we're gonna go to the gym because I have plans later in the day, so I'm just trying to go a little bit earlier. I'm getting ready to go to dinner with my family. We're celebrating my uncle's birthday. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm rushing. My family just left. I'm barely on my brows right now, so I don't know when I'm gonna get there, and then I still need to change. It's actually crazy. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and by the time you guys watch this, it'll probably be 2026, but for me, New Year's Eve is tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll see you guys once I finish getting dressed. Good morning, you guys. It is currently New Year's Eve. I really can't believe that tomorrow's going to be 2026, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit, reflect on how this year has been and how I want the next year to go. I haven't really been filming a lot for you guys, so the last video that I posted on this channel was in October. As you guys know, this channel is mostly based off vlogs. I really haven't been doing anything interesting. I recently graduated from training school this month. Before that, I was literally just doing school all day, every day. I would literally clock in at 9 and get out at 7 o'clock, 7:30. Sometimes I would get out at 6, sometimes I would get out at 5, and then right after go to uni and go to my night classes, which is why I decided to take a break from doing videos. Oh my god, you guys can literally see how red my skin is getting right now. Please ignore my face. I am still continuing uni, so look forward to more uni vlogs in the future. I will be trying to become more consistent. I think that's a goal of mine that I want to reach in 2026. I feel like this year I was very lacking in content and I wasn't consistent enough. If you are watching this, feel free to join me and grab a piece of paper, a notebook, your iPad, whatever. We're just gonna write down a few 2026 manifestations, intentions, and goals. We're gonna set some intentions and manifest all these things for 2026. Beauty, power, skinny, whatever, anything. Write that shit down on a paper. We will be the best we can be for 2026. So now that I've set all my intentions for the new year, I also want to start off with a clean room and just declutter everything that I have out right now. I'm going to show you guys, but this is a judge-free zone. This is how my room looks so far. As you guys can tell, my desk is really messy. And then over here, honestly, coming into 2026, you guys will probably not be seeing any of this anymore, just because I need a lot more storage now that I'm starting my aesthetics journey, and I have a lot more things that I need a place for. That's most likely gonna be in a whole nother video. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did my room makeover back in January, which is really funny because now that we're going into the new year, I'm gonna most likely make another video of just me reorganizing, giving an update of my whole room, because my whole room has changed since that video. I just really haven't shown you guys anything, so look forward to that video. But until then, we're gonna change a few things today. Like this whole wall situation, I always brought out my red bows for Christmas and December, but now that December is coming to an end, I'm gonna take those red bows down. But same thing with this whole side of my room too. I'm gonna be taking down the Christmas tree and putting all of this away. This is my double wax warmer with other aesthetic stuff that I use. I've been working for my room for now, so that's kind of why I have everything out. Like I literally have this towel warmer here in my room too. All my aesthetic stuff I don't want in my room, I want to take out eventually, but until I get my own place or my own storage to put everything up, it's gonna have to be here for now. I'm sorry, you guys. I know it's such a sore eye, at least I know it is for me, but I have some stuff in here. I use the sterilizer to sterilize all my implements, so that's just in there, but we're gonna have to put that up. And I also finished doing my makeup because my family is coming over today for New Year's, and I might go to my boyfriend's house too, so I just got ready ahead of time and gave myself time to clean my room before I leave. I want to come back to a clean space and a clean room. I want to make sure to start 2026 off strong. So this is my desk all cleaned up, and then here's my bed. I put my other posters back up, and then I also cleaned my desk area, and then here as well. Where did it go?
What are you doing?
Right now I'm gonna go out to eat with my sister and my cousin, and we're also gonna go to Hmart because we haven't gone to Hmart in a really long time, and there's some stuff we need to restock on. But yeah, right now we're gonna go try out this place. It's called Dookie, and I'm really excited. I've been wanting to try out this place for a really long time, so hopefully it's good. Me and my sister and my cousin are a really big fan of fish cake and tteokbokki, so hopefully it's a success. Let me give you guys a quick little OTD. I'm wearing this off the shoulder top from Lucan and these black lounge pants with my black Uggs, because I actually haven't brought these Uggs out this whole season. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the restaurant.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
First we got strawberry ice cream mochi. These peach ice creams that I'll show you guys. Look at you! So cute! I don't even know we got this. These are like little strawberry popsicles. And then I got this calamari snack. It looks really interesting and I'm actually like calamari, so I think this will be good. I got these little peppermint flavored ice creams. I don't know why, but I'm a really big fan of peppermint, especially when it gets like towards the colder time. Some instant udon ramen, a package of sheet ramen as well. I got this grape flavored tea. I hear that this flavor is very popular in Korea. And then we also got a few drinks. This is the bubble milk tea Hello Kitty, bubble milk tea drink, just regular, and then the Ramyu soda pop drinks. And then I got this hair treatment. This is for your scalp. Try the calamari snack. It kind of tastes like, it kind of just tastes like Fritos. Okay, now I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna spit it out because it's gonna take me a while to finish it. It's basically like a big mint. That's so good. This is 10 out of 10. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and look forward to more videos in the future. I'm definitely gonna continue to post and I'm gonna try to come out with more videos more consistently. Don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to follow my new aesthetics page.